Mhm.
Ramesh bhai, just have a look in Gurukul group of
Yeah,
ours.
1 minute. Huh? 1 minute. Is it 7:30? Can we start?
Yeah.
Um, a very, very good morning, every one of you. First of all, my heartiest congratulations on taking up the biggest assignment of your life. An assignment which is designed to not only change your life, but the lives of people around you, Global Ghana. This is a unique, one of its kind organization. And to understand this organization immediately in a minute or two is not possible. It is complex, it is very comprehensive, and certainly it's a very huge thing to comprehend. And therefore, we at Global Gardener felt it necessary that we should have a series of training schools like this to make sure that you also understand the concept like we do. Let us understand something very clearly. This is a very professional organization. And unlike voluntary organizations, here every one of us has to do his duty. Nobody else will take care of our duty for us. We have to take care of it ourselves. This organization was started 4 years back by Mr. Vikas Rawat, who's here with us today. And in those 4 years, this company has grown from a mere 3 lakh rupees, from a mere 3 lakh rupees to 216 crore rupees in terms of valuation right now. And it is set to grow by almost 4 times every day. Yes, I am right, by every day. This is, can you please switch off all your mics?
All mics are on mute. All mics are on
Thank
mute.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Ganesh's mic, Yuri's mic is not switched off.
Just hold on. I'll try again. Just hold on. I'll unmute you. Okay. Now you try.
Thank you so much. Uh, all some of the rules that we need to follow, not Mr. Lakshmi can't switch off your mic.
Ramesh bhai, I guess your voice is not coming.
Prashant Rao, please switch off mic.
Ramesh bhai, all mics are on mute.
Yes, but there are still some which are on, Vikas. I am not able to understand that, but fair enough. Let's go ahead.
Yeah,
Now,
please.
uh, this school is designed to give you everything that Global Gardener has. Why is knowledge so important? Let's imagine your child wants you to help her with her homework. Would you be able to do it if you did not know the subject? If your wife wants you to go and do some shopping, would you be able to do it if you didn't know where the shops are? Your boss or your customer wants you to do something for him. How would you do it if you had no knowledge? Global Gardener is new for all of us, and therefore it is really necessary that all of us learns about this. Uh, Rules of the game, Raman Nair will talk to you. But at this point of time, let me once again welcome every one of you to the first ever Global Gardener ACP Training School. And may I now request the CEO and founder of Global Gardener, Vikas Rawat, to formally inaugurate the school.
First of all, I would like to invite and congratulate you all. I think this is the right decision that you took to join Global Gardener at the right time when we are about to fly. And this training is not only going to help you in growing yourself in your GG career, but I think the way we have designed it, it is going to help you in many ways. So I think we should only focus on the content that we are going to receive from this. The entire recording of this training will be given to you. So please focus on what we are telling you and ask questions in the end. The entire session will be run on mute. You will be given an option to unmute your mic only after the session. Rest, I think Raman Bhaiya, everybody knows his capacity of training people, coaching live businesses. So I think I need not to introduce him because I am no way near to what he is capable of. I cannot describe his capabilities, but I think you will find it in next 4 days. So it is really important for you to attend all 4 days, and my best wishes are with you. Thank you very much. Over to Raman Bhaiya.
Well, good morning. I hope all of you are in a very cheerful mood today morning. I'm sorry for the people who are in the habit of getting up at 9 o'clock. Let this be a surprise for them. Well, welcome to this greatest opportunity of your life, as Ramesh Bhaiya has told you. Yes, this is going to be the greatest opportunity of your life. I don't know how many of you really realize it, because as long as you are taking this, it's just another business, just another experiment, just another thing to do. This is not going to work in your life in the miracles. The miracles will only happen when you will consider this as the greatest opportunity of your life. Miracles will happen. This class, this school is designed to make it possible, to make that miracles possible in your life. Because to make those miracles happen, you should also be equipped with a lot of knowledge, lot of skills, and a different kind of an attitude. Let me give you some briefing. Every day, 7:30 for coming 4 days, we'll be meeting. And all the 4 days, you will have 4 different instructors, 4 different teachers, whatever you call, facilitators, teachers, instructors, whatever you call. 4 people who know this organization threadbare, who know this organization A to Z. They will be talking about the concepts, the skills, the knowledge which you will be requiring while discharging your duties. Don't think that duties mean that you have been employed somewhere, but still you are now employed by yourself. You have employed yourself as a millionaire, as a future billionaire. So you have to perform your duty to make yourself that future billionaire. To discharge all those duties, you will be given these skills. By the end of this total schooling, 4 days schooling, roughly about 6 to 8 hours it will be, you have to go through a test. That test will be of the knowledge, how much of the knowledge you are able to retain, how much of the knowledge you have, or we will also come to know that now you are fully equipped and ready to go to the market, to go to the customer, to go and talk to the vendors, to go and talk to the partners everywhere. Then only, please, then only you go and enter the market. You will be getting a certificate also. But this does not means that if you are not, if you are found still inadequate in that, that you will be removed from your post. No, you will still be there. If in a test you are not, you are inadequate, just sit at home for half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, prepare, do the test again. You will be through. It's like that. It is only the test of the knowledge, whether you are now fully ready to go to the market. We want that when you go to the market, you are 100%, you are better than Vikas Rawat, you are better than Raman Nair, you are better than Ramesh Bataviya, you are better than your Balu or Deva or any state head. You are much better than that. So please be very, very serious. We call it a school. We have not called it a university or a college, because there you are little less disciplined, little less sincere. In school, you are very disciplined, very sincere. So we want you to behave as school going kids. If the assignments are given to you, please do it seriously. You don't have to sit with your mom and ask her to help you, but you have to do that. You do those assignments seriously. You will be getting the deadline to post those assignments. Those assignments will not be very tough, but definitely those assignments will be the part of the curriculum. You will be going today through that, only from that curriculum. Then by the end of this curriculum, you can ask questions through chat box. Please refrain asking questions which are not related to today's classroom curriculum. Whatever you have studied in today's class, ask questions only related to that. Why I am telling that? Because you have a limited time. In these 4 days, we have tried to give answer to every question of yours, every query of yours, but they are placed at right time, at right place. So if you are asking a question which we have placed at day 4, it's no use answering that question today. So please stick your question to the curriculum of today class only. Correct? So shall we start? Well, how many of you really know your importance, how important you are? I talked to quite a few ACPs, and few ACPs were telling, sir, the most powerful man in GG is probably the state head. And then maybe the MCP, because he controls 100 of ACPs. Aisa nahi hai. This is a wrong notion. This is a wrong notion. The most powerful, the most important, the most, I'll say, what is that right word of his? Important se bhi zyada, the person who is indispensable in this organization to all the leaders, be it Vikas Rawat, be it Ramesh Bataviya, Raman Nair, everything. The most indispensable person is you. You are the person. I'll tell you why. Because you are the #1 leader of GG. In business leadership ladder, you are #1 leader. Because it's you only who is taking us to the public. It's you only who is taking us to the customer. It's you only who is taking us to the masses. You interact. Your state head, your MCP, your CP will nowhere be talking to the masses. You will be talking to the masses. So you are the face of Global Garner. You are the #1 public interface of this organization. The public will be knowing only you. They will not be bothered who is the state head or MCP or CP. They will only be related to you. If a vendor has a query, they will only talk to you. If a vendor has a problem, they will only talk to you. If a vendor has an opportunity, he will only talk to you. If a vendor has some growth plan, he will talk to you. So you are the first interface. Very, very important. You are the knowledge center. You are the person who is expected to have the maximum knowledge about the organization. Maximum knowledge. You know why the school is being done for only ACPs? Why we have not done schooling for CPs and MCPs? Because they can afford to have little less knowledge. Fine, because their role is leadership. You cannot afford to have little knowledge. I look for the days when even Vikas Rawat has to talk to you to ask certain things. You should be so knowledgeable. You should having so much in-depth knowledge of the organization, of the concept, of the business, of the processes, everything. You should be the biggest knowledge center of this organization. Imagine 18,000 people having this knowledge will spreading throughout the country. That will make this organization strongest one. It's not 180 people, MCPs or 15 state heads that will count anything. No. 18,000 people who are extremely knowledgeable, spreading this message everywhere will make it happen. So you are the biggest knowledge center of this organization. And finally, you move the economy. Because all other people at all other posts are expense oriented. वो खर्चा करवाने वाले हैं. They just make expenses. You are the people who bring in revenue. You bring revenue. So we spend, you earn. So you know how important is your post. That is why the entire focus of this organization, entire focus of the leadership, entire focus of this entire country's top level people is only and only on you, to make you so much powerful, to make you so much capable of handling things that when you go to the market, you fail nowhere. You fail nowhere. Now you understand what power you have, right? So let's start. How to be that capable? How to be? The first thing is know your organization. How many of you have watched the BOP thoroughly? You can type in your chat box. Thoroughly means thoroughly, that 2 hours BOP. How many of you go through each and every information that comes to you? How many of you have attended the question answer sessions which were regularly done in the month of March and up to mid-April? They were regularly done. How many of you ask questions to your channel partner or master channel partner and make his life miserable? If you are not doing that, that means still there is a scope for you to know about the organization. So when I'll talk about the assignment, your first assignment is, if you have not done so far, please run the full BOP, sit there. If you are, because it's a lockdown, you are sitting with your families, make your family sit with you. Let them also understand. Let them ask questions to you and answer their questions. Let your family ask stupid questions, all wild questions. Let them ask. Let them ask all embarrassing questions to you and then handle those questions. Give them answers. That will strengthen your faith. That will also strengthen your confidence that yes, you know the organization. And the questions which you are not able to answer, write down and ask your CP, make his life miserable also. Talk to him. If he is not able to answer, let him run to the MCP or anywhere. Let him come back with the answers. Give him the list of your questions. Your CP will definitely, he will be the happiest person to answer your question. But you have to ask. All questions you have to ask. So please make sure by the end of the day today, you will go through all the BOP and other documents. You have been shared with one single sheeter PDF file where you have all the links, whatever Gigi has produced till today, whatever Gigi has produced till today, you have that documented there. Either it is on YouTube or it is in the form of documents. Click each and every document, go through that, see it. During these 4 days, you should see all the documents, all the publications and the videos. You will be enriched, and believe me, I can guarantee you will be thankful to us when you will go to the market, because there you don't know from where and what kind of questions your people will be asking you. Your vendors will be asking you, your partners will be asking you, your UPOS prospects will be asking you, your prospect users will be asking you. You should be so quick to answer question. That confidence before going to the market you must get. Know the business concept. It first is knowing the organization, knowing the concept, actually what the concept is. You should know that, because that is the base of everything, whatever we are doing. All the activities, there is a concept behind. So try to understand the concept. When you know the concept, everything, all activities are logically connected with the concept. We are forgetting, we are nowhere forgetting that concept. Nothing we do which is not related to the main business concept of the organization. Uske alawa hum kuch nahi, we don't do anything else. No other activity, even the school, if the school is been done, it is related to the business concept, because the ACP of this organization is extremely important person. He must be knowledgeable. That's why it has been done with you. So everything is related with the business concept of the organization. You also should know the concept. When you will go through the BOPs, you will understand that. Sit with your MCP, CP, ask them, so what is the concept behind UPOS? What is the concept behind this cashback? What is the concept behind bringing in this vendors? What is the concept behind digitizing these vendors? Ask about that. And when you have that concept in your mind, all other things will fall in place. You will understand the logic of all other things. You will stop asking the questions about what is the price of UPOS, why this UPOS is, why not. All those questions will be answered once you understand the concept behind it. So first is knowing your organization well. The second is, please know the concept. Note down these two things you have to done today. You have to do today. Note down on your notepads. Now comes know your role. How many of you really know your role? The broader sense, the detailed role, I'll tell you where it is written and you have the document with you. The broader role. The broader role, quickly I'll tell you, you are the first level leader, business leader of Global Garner, who will be interacting with masses. You have to bring in the local vendors who come under your pin code. Bring in local vendors. You have to sell UPOS, or you have to manage to sell UPOS. You have to find out the ways to sell UPOS anywhere in the country, but definitely under your UPOS zaruri. You during these 4 days, you will understand why I am telling that under your pin code UPOS should be sold. You have to build up a team of the partners, because alone you may not be able, you may not be that capable. But when you have a team of partners with you, it will be like you have a company of your own. It will be a miniature of Global Garner itself. आप अपना पूरा एक global, that will be full Global Garner at your level, which you will be running. We recommend that have 10 partners, but you can have n number of partners. The bigger the team, the bigger the results. There is a document called MCP manual. It is in fact the leaders manual, business leaders manual. It is there, already been given to you. We will share it after the class. We will again share that digital form. We will share it with you. Please take a printout of that document. Get it spiral bound. Always it should be there on your work table. Everything, each and everything, whichever is required by you or your office or your team, is written there. All the processes that you will be performing are written there. All the activities you and your team will be doing is written there. How you will grow in your level is written there. Everything. It is the Bible of all business leaders, and especially it is only 2 pages for CP and MCP. The entire manual is for ACPs. MCP and CP is only 2 or 3 pages. Remaining entire manual is for you. Please go through that. Go through that manual also. That you should do today. Remaining other things in the 4 days, but this you should do today. You will have the clarity. Then ask questions. Where you are not clear, please ask questions. You are free to ask questions to your CP, MCP, and if not possible, you can shoot those questions to us. We will also be very happy to answer those questions. Right? So knowing the organization, knowing the concept, and now third is knowing your role. 3 very important things, because these are the things which are mandatory to start. इसके बिना शुरू ही नहीं होगा. These are the things which you must do. Then comes know your targets. To hold the office for whole of your life, you are given certain targets. Let me ask you one simple question. You as an MCP are a single unit, one single unit. If I tell you tomorrow you are joined by 2 people who just buy a UPOS of their own, and then 2 people joining almost every day, they buy UPOS or they don't buy UPOS, whatever. 2 people joining every day. In 7 days, you have 14 people. Now, these 14 people are supposed to sell only UPOS, and you have thorough knowledge of UPOS. How many UPOS will you sell in a day? You can write in the chat box. Adding 2 people every day, 7 days, 14 people. How many UPOS in a day that team of, I'll say army of 14 people will sell? Can they sell 1 in a day? Just 1 in a day? If they can sell 1 in a day, in a month, you are selling 30 UPOS. You are selling 30 UPOS, and you don't sell, your people sell. And what Global Garner wants, what your organization wants from you is only 2 UPOS per month. In a month, two UPOS. That you sell, and then it's done. Then nobody will touch you. You are the king of your pin code. Nobody will touch you. This is such a small target. I don't say small, it's a tiny target. It's a tiny target you are giving it. But no, why you will see, okay, why I have kept the target and the goals separate. Because target is so small, yet we don't want you to work only on your targets. This is just to keep your post intact, because we don't want any dead person to be there. Somebody is just blocking the pin code and doing nothing, zero. That's why we have kept a target. Even if you are working this little, you are there as ACP. This little means only two UPOS. Only two UPOS. You are there. But goals, that should not be there. Next is know your market and the customer. I have so many people talking to, sir, I am living in an area which is not that densely populated, which is very small. Sir, what can I do? I told, do you have a bike? Said yes. Okay, take out your bike and geographically on the Google map, just see how big is your pin code. Take the round of your pin code physically. Go there and see how many shops are there. Simple shops I'm talking. Then you have service provider, you have clinics, you have doctors, you have chartered accountants, you have architects, you have so many other service providers. Come back and then tell me. So far nobody came back because we assume I'm living in a pin code which is very small, but in the smallest of the pin code there are about 100 200 shops, businesses. Everybody is your potential customer. Everybody, believe me, everyone. And the biggest advantage of the smallest place is it is very easy to route all the users to them. Because imagine I'm living in a suburb and I'm a user. I only purchase my needs which are very, very necessary from my local area. Otherwise, I have the tendency to go to the main city. But when I will come to know that buying from this local shop is giving me cash back, is giving me GG coins, is giving me GG money, giving me an opportunity to make 1 crore of rupees, I will stop going to the city market. I will stick back to that small market, small area. This is a very big advantage. All your small vendors will happily get assigned to you. They will happily join you because they will have that strength of winning the loyalty of the customer, having those customers for lifetime attached with them. You have that advantage. So have a physical round of your area, then only you will know. Go there. Then only then each and every shop, when you will look from that GG concept, you will see, oh my God, he is also my potential customer. Even that laundry wala will be your customer. A dry clean shop will be your customer. Your vendor, prospect vendor. A small clinic, a small dhaba, a small restaurant, all will be your vendors, possible vendors. Have that round of your market. Go there. Actually go there and see if it is lockup is there. Okay, move on. Pedal chale jao, go on foot. You will know because that is your kingdom, my dear friend. The king takes the round of his kingdom always. Go and take the round of your kingdom. That is your kingdom. Walk there and see who lives there. They will be your income source, future income source. All shops are your shops, my dear friend. All stocks lying in their shops are your stock. Look at from this angle, look at from this attitude, look at from this point of view. Everything lying in the shops in your area is your stock. Then you will feel, yes, this is your power. That is your power, my dear friend. And understand your customers, the users, the people who can buy UPOS, the people who can get connected to the UPOS holders. Know them. What are their general requirements? What these kind of people will be using as grocery? Tell those grocery people, look, these are, I can connect these people to you. What kind of they, if they are they need travels more, okay, talk to the person who's in UPAS inco travel becho, sell them travel, sell them insurance, sell them micro loans, small loans, personal loans. As long as you are not aware of the customer, you will not be able to guide your UPAS holders. So please see the customer. What is the economic level of your customer? What is their socio-economic level? And then you will find out what generally they use, where generally they spend. Because the concept is all spending should happen through you. Every rupee spent in your I'm so sorry. Every rupee spent in your pin code should be spent on you. Spent through you, sorry, spent through you. So you should know where your people are spending. If your people are spending more on eating out, register your these restaurants. If your people are spending more on daily needs, register daily needs stores more. If your people are spending on lifestyle needs, register all those lifestyle vendors on it. Know that customer, where your customer is actually spending. Talk to 10 people, 100 people, 50 people. Ask them what are their general spendings in the month. Kitna paisa kharch kar, where are you spending? Then you know who are the people who will easily get linked to you. Clear? Let's move ahead. Then set your goal. Now I'm not talking about target. I'm talking about goal, because target is too small. For that target, you are not in GG. That is so small. You are in GG for something extremely big, बहुत बड़ा. I'll request one thing. I have met so many people. I've been talking all day. I keep getting phone calls from the people, especially from the northern part of India. They ask me, sir, is it possible to make a lakh of rupees from Global Garner? I tell them, my dear friend, if you want just a lakh of rupees, please don't come to Global Garner. You will spoil the entire atmosphere of this leadership. We are only looking for the people who want 50 lakh, 20 lakhs in a month, who want huge money. The number of zeros that fit in your brain, if it is not troubling you, then it is okay. You should accustom your brain to understand the big numbers in zeros. If I am not able to digest when somebody speaks 1 crore in front of me, then probably it's not the organization for me. Because you would have seen that nowhere in BOPs and whatever we talk thousands, because thousands doesn't matter here. It is only lakhs and crores, because potential is so big, so big. And with such a big potential, if I make my goal that small, this will not only hamper you, it will hamper your team also. So when you set your goals, we'll do a full goal setting session, but right now what you have to do, use that income calculator. All of you would have received the income calculator. It's a Excel sheet where you can put the figures and you know how much money you will be making. use income calculator and define first. Okay, I want to start with in coming 1 years, in coming 12 months, I want that I should start making, say, 10 lakh rupees. Fine. Then this calculator will tell you what all you need to do, what all you need to achieve, what all you should be doing. That calculator will tell you how many vendors you will have and what kind of turnover those vendors should be having, how many UPOs should be created, how many users should be there, and how many users should be working on their My Circle and other things so that UPVs are created. That will tell you. So use that income calculator effectively. If you do not know how to use it, please sit with your channel partner, sit with your MCP, they will guide you. So use income calculator. The second is match with your time. Right now, I don't say resign from whatever you are doing, because we are asking minimum 12 months, 12 mahine, 1 year work for 1 year. In next, whenever we talk, we say in next 12 months where you are reaching. So how much time are you actively given to this business of yours? And you also have the current business from the money is coming to run your family. Minimum, if you can give 2 hours. The day is 16. At this age, I am working 18 hours a day. But you can work 16 hours. Out of those 16 hours, can you spend 2 hours on GG? But when you are working 2 hours means 120 minutes dedicatedly given to Global Garner business. It's not that 2 hours you have given and then you are sitting and thinking about Global Garner. Sir, I was sitting in my office and thinking and planning and working. Okay, planning done, one. Okay, 2 days, 4 days, 7 days, you have done the planning. But then in the market, making things happen, 2 hours. But if you can afford to give more, very good, very, very good. 2 hours is minimum. 120 minutes, totally focused, totally dedicated. Then match with your time. Within 2 hours, according to the calculator, how much work you have to do. Then you will know that how big a team you need, because your goal can be bigger. According to the income calculator, you may be required to do bigger things, but you have lesser time. You can multiply that hours with the number of team members you enroll. Because alone you are giving 2 hours. If you are 14 people, you are giving 28 hours a day. So then you will make a bigger team. You will multiply your time. Match it with your team. Your team. See, I was talking to Madhya Pradesh MCPs. When I was talking to them, we have a weekly review meeting. In the weekly review meeting, we said, okay, what is the targets for next week? One of the MCP said, sir, next week we will be enrolling about 15 vendors. And we will be bringing in these many more people in leadership. Then I asked, how come you reach this figure of 15 vendors? They said, it's my idea because last week also we enrolled 15 vendors, and I think 15 vendors we are enrolling. I asked, have you talked to your ACPs? How many ACPs you have? He said, I have 48 ACPs. And in a week, if your ACP to the minimum of the level brings in 2 vendors, you have 96 vendors coming. You have 96 vendors coming. Then he realized, oh my God, because the targets are the targets of the team who is performing. It's the targets of your partners who are there in the market. Don't say you are alone, you are one person target. You are team of 14, 15 people, how many people you have created, all those put together, then you know that your goal alone yours will be small, but the goal, when you have a bigger team, the size of your goal will grow. It will be very big. And finally, match it with your skill. Please understand, you have your personal skills. You may be having a very good skill in communicating with the team. So focus on charging your team must. You have a very good skill of talking to the people and negotiate. Talk to the vendors and do it otherwise. Ulta also. There may be for certain skills which are required to get certain goals, certain targets achieved. Acquire that skill. Work on that. You think you are not very good at communication, conversation. Acquire that skill. Learn the communication. There are so many tutorials online. Go to that YouTube. They will give you the finest tips of knowing how to get into the conversation with the stranger, how to negotiate with the people. You will acquire that skill. Match it with that. So all things putting together, then set your goal. Then set your goal. Well, the next part is, now when you have set your goal, now comes the planning part. So you have understood everything, organization, concept, your market, your customer, everything you know. Now you know that what is that target. You know what your goal is, how much you need from this company, how much income you want after 12 months, and then plan it. Don't go unplanned. Plan it. Plan your achievement. What all you have to plan? Number one, the big picture. The big picture is, in the coming 5-7 years, what are you going to be in Global Garner in monetary terms and in status terms? See, our CEO, Mr. Vikas Rawat, has announced a very, very good scheme. He has kept 1 lakh shares for his leader team. 1 lakh shares. I believe all of you would have attended the meeting where Ramesh Bhaiya told you how this company, when it grows, how these shares are going to get multiplied. You are the first possible person who can easily get those shares, because selling UPOS is your team is directly selling UPOS. The moment you have 10 of your partners ready and selling, you will easily get. All ACPs will be the fastest shareholders. This is my prediction. All ACPs, they will be the fastest shareholders in this organization, and they will also grow in their status. So make that big picture. First, I want to have this much money, this much status. What is the big picture of yours? Draw that big picture first. And then start working on the money. Break that picture into small pieces, and very, very small pieces. I always share this with my students when I talk to about breaking in micro goals. See, if I place the big watermelon of this size in front of you and I tell you eat, you may not be able to eat it there, because it is huge, big in size. The moment I give you a knife and a plate, what do you do? First thing, what do you do? Break it into small slices. Break it into that eatable size, consumable size at one time, and then you eat. And then, if you are hungry, you eat the entire watermelon in an hour. You finish that, because At one point of time, you only have to eat that small slice, small bite, micro goal. Here also, the big picture may be scary for you to look at, but when you break it into that small consumable size, small workable size, it will be immediately you will see, oh my God, this is possible. This I will do. I will make it happen. Not only I will, I and my team will make it happen. So that goal you have to set. These are the small micro goals. I'll tell you, I'll just after that, I'll give you how to do that. First is plan your year. I said 12 months. What is your achievement level in the month of May, then in June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and up to April. So April 2021, every month, every month. If in you will see the miracle happening. If in month one you have just one partner and you working, in month two you will be having 5 partners and you working, that means the result in month 3 will be multiplied 5 times. If you have 10 people in that, the result will be multiplied by 10 times. This will start multiplying. So plan those months accordingly. Plan a week. Every week. This week of mine, because your CPs will be having a weekly review meetings with you. So your CPs, when they talk to you, you should know in the next weekly review meeting what I'm going to achieve and what I'm going to tell my channel partner. Look, this is what I have achieved or my team have achieved. For that, you have to make a plan. You have to make a plan. How many vendors are you visiting? Who are those vendors are you visiting? Which area are you visiting? Who are your prospective UPOS holders? Which people are you going to train on UPOS? Who are the people whom you are going to train on how to use that vendor interface? All those things should come in your plan. All those things. And then make your daily activity calendar. So you have planned your year, you have planned your month, you have planned your week, and finally you have zeroed down on daily activity calendar. What exactly I am doing today? That is the part of my week. I know this is day 3 of the week. Day 3, I am going to work this. This is, I'm going to not only work, I'm going to achieve. It is you're planning your achievement. Working, fine, yes, work, you will work only then you will achieve, but it's not only working, it is bringing results. It is bringing results, then only you will reach the big picture of yours. Understood? Making the big picture, splitting into micro goals, planning your year, planning your month, planning your week, and then zeroing down to your daily activity calendar. Every day of the week has that GG activity, what you are going to do, because every day you have 120 minutes to work on it, focused 120 minutes. This is the sheet I want. You can take the photograph of this sheet, or we will send this document to you also. Here are, we have divided, this is a year-long sheet. It is broken into months and broken into weeks, 5 weeks. So you can take a photograph of it, and here take a printout on a bigger page, A3 page. Take a printout on the A3 page. Start making plan and achievement list on these week wise. Week 1 of May, week 2 of May, week 3 of May, week 4, week 5. And there is one column is an EG. EG is emerging goal. The things which you should have not planned, but suddenly they have, the opportunity have come. You can write it there. Oh my God, there is another opportunity. I have not thought of it, but now it is there. put it in EG, and that next month it should come in your goals. So this is a very comprehensive sheet. When you complete it, put it on your table. It should be or on the wall in front of you every time. Visit it twice or three times a day. See how it is going, and you will see when as and when your team grows, your achievement will start growing. You may have to revise it 2 times, 3 times, because this will start growing. I believe, and I am so sure, by the end of 12 months, you will be at a very, very big level, very, very different big grow level. If you work on the sheet which you make, which you plan, if seriously you work on this, you will make that achievement. Now, I'll tell you what you have to do with this sheet in the coming time. This is extremely important, very important sheet to learn. See how we break these activities into small pieces. Imagine you have talked to a vendor, and that vendor has asked you to give you certain information. And during that information, you will keep on asking, sir, okay, you are a grocery dealer, but who do you think can be the other person in stationery? Who do you think can be the other person in a vegetable sellers? Who can be the other person as a laundry wala? Can you recommend? They will start becoming your source. All you have to do is, if you have 5 people, make them happy. Those 5 people will give you 50 more. And then all those 50s will appear in this sheet somewhere. Okay, I'm going to enroll this, I'm going to enroll this, I'm going to enroll this, I'm going to enroll, and they will start growing. Similarly, your partners. We say that you should have 10 partners. To start with, you should have 5 partners. But I always tell the CPs, please motivate your ACPs to have 100 partners. During the schooling, we will give you the recipe of having 100 partners. How can you have? Nobody stops you. Nobody, because it is your company in making, in your, I said, in your kingdom of your pin code. You are building up in another GG company. It's your company. Have 100 people, 100 executive with you. Who stops? Nobody stops. But those people should be convinced. What you are going to tell them? In a month, my dear friend, just sell 5 UPAWs. Just sell 5 UPAWs. And you will get 50,000 rupees. Don't you think there will be 100 people in your pin code who will require that income of 50,000 rupees? You will get. Not 100, okay, 50, 20. You will definitely get those people, those who want. And the moment you get those kind of people who are hungry of making that money, they will take you to the next level. All of them should appear on this sheet. Their goals, their dreams, their needs, they will fill up these sheets with money. This one sheet will be a sort of a money showing sheet to you. You will see if this total is achieved, this will translate into 1 crore of rupees. When you will monetize this achievement, this will be 1 crore of rupees. All you have to do is sit seriously on it. Sit seriously on it and then start working. My dear friends, this sounds little absurd. This sounds little, oh my God, likhne se kya hoga? But in whole of my life, I have worked on this. Wherever I have reached, it is only because of these kind of sheets and goals, small micro goals. Because I believe micro goals work. All you need to have is a team supporting that, who will multiply that, Correct? Are you convinced? Shall I go up? Just show your thumb and then we'll go ahead. Fine, very good. There are certain cautions when you are working on your micro goal. I said, na, this should be so big that it digests the zeros. The caution is too simple is boring. If you set a micro goal and it is too simple, I'm sure, I tell you, I guarantee you, you will get bored. You will get bored in a month. Suppose you say, I will be talking to 2 people every day. Very simple. Huh? You will get bored in 5 days. I will be talking about Gigi to 4 or 5 people every day on telephone. You will get bored. Don't keep it too simple. Keep it little challenging. Keep it little pinching, which will have to pull you out of your comfort zone for some time. Then you will achieve. Too small is insignificant. I said, na, if you are just thinking of making a lakh of rupees for a GG leader at your level, as powerful as you, too small is insignificant. Lakh of rupees you will make anywhere. It's too small. Think of few lakhs of rupees, few lakhs of rupees. Then you will get that excitement. And I can guarantee within 5 6 months, when your team is in place, it will start happening. You will see, it will be visible. It will be visible. Oh my God, I have 15 people in my team. Now it is happening. Ye to ho gaya. This is going to be done. But if you will keep it too small, you will not bringing more people in your team. Then you, are yaar, theek hai na, I only I will do. Why bring in more people? No, bring in more people. Let them do that. It should be, it must be the part of your bigger objective, the big picture you have made. It should be derived from that only. It should not be anything else which is not there, because then it will not push you. It will not give you that pull. It has to be the part of that bigger objective of yours. I want to buy a Mercedes Benz by April 2021. Fine, then you plan for that. It will be derived from that only. See, flawlessness and sincerity is the key. How this flawlessness will happen? When you have all the knowledge I talked to you in the first 4 or 5 slides. That will make it flawless. That will make your working flawless. That will make you answer each and every question. That will make you use the technology. You will not then tell your vendor, stop, let me talk to Amit Sandhu and then come back to you. You will be doing that. So that flawlessness has to happen. Flawlessness also in the continuity of your activity also. Come what may, if I am working 120 minutes every day, it's 120 minutes flawlessly I'm working on it. And the sincerity, because you are working for a future billionaire. You are not working for an ordinary person. And that billionaire is very strict. That billionaire is you, who's very strict, and he only wants sincere people in his team. And you are the first employee of him. Work very sincerely when you are working on your goals. Work very sincerely when you are working on your achievement. Work very sincerely when you are making your daily activity calendar. Work very sincerely when you are going in the field on a call for your on a call with your partner for UPOS selling. Work very sincerely when you are talking to a UPOS holder how to make better use of a UPOS. All that sincerity should appear. It should be like oozing out of you. Your partner should give your example. Oh my God, this ACP is our leader. He is the epitome of sincerity. then you will see the results happening. Every success must be celebrated. You would have seen your CEO celebrating every small thing happening in his team, and it appears on his Facebook page also, in all his WhatsApp messages, and he talks whenever every day we meet, we chat every day, and first thing is he celebrates. Oh my God, Deva has done this, Balu Bhaiya has done this, Santosh has done this, Rao has done. He talks about all those people making assignment, and he is super excited about it. It's a celebration. You also celebrate with your team. Celebrate over a cup of tea. Fine. Now you are locked down. Okay, sit down. Bring them on your Duo, or bring them on your Zoom mode. Sit, talk, chat, enjoy. But that celebration should be there. Clap for the achievers. Clap for yourself. Have that celebration in your family. You have enrolled 2 vendors today. Celebrate in your family. Let your family feel that you are also working for their future. That celebration should be there. They should always keep on motivating. Sir, aaj kitna hua? Papa, aaj kitna hua? They should, your brother should, your sister, your mother, everybody should feel like, how much you have achieved today. That celebration will make them connect with your goal. The entire family will get connected. Entire team of yours will get connected. Discipline and continuity, as I said. No way, come what may, you will not skip the job you have assigned you to do for yourself. See, the best thing and the worst thing is you are the master of yourself. If you are a bad master, you will not get bad student. If you are a good master, you will get a good student. So you decide what you are going to make out of you. If you are a disciplined teacher, the person working for you will be disciplined. If you are a disciplined boss, the person working for you will be disciplined. If you are a disciplined leader, the people in your team working for you will be disciplined. So first, it will start with you. Number 2 is the continuity. Without fail, every day something must happen. I always say, win every day. Win every day. There should not be a single day when you have to sleep without a victory. You have so much to do, so much to do. And define your victory in the morning. Today, I am going to bring in 5 prospect vendors to a vendor BOP, to a vendor's presentation, and I will explain it to them. And if those 5 come and talk to you and you explain it to them, it is the victory in the evening. That is your victory, and it should continuously happen all 30 days of the month, all 7 days of the week, every day. Every day you should be winning. That you have to make. Correct? Now comes the last part of today's lecture. Build your partner team. I have been explaining to you that how the partner team will propel your achievement. See, alone you will get bored, number 1. Alone you will find it little difficult, walking difficult. Alone you will also not enjoy. Start bringing in people as quickly as you can. Even before going to the market, you can start talking to the people who can become your partners. The partners are the people who sell you POS. The partners can, yes, bring in users. The partners can refer vendors. They can be, because as a user they can refer vendors. They can be the referrals, bring in referrals also. But bring in the team. The moment you have team in place, you will create a work environment. Then the environment will be built, a team working environment will be built. When that environment is there, this will accelerate your growth. Because now you only look at your capabilities. You only look at your capabilities, not the capabilities of many other people who will add in you. So when you look at your capabilities, if I ask how much weight you can lift, you will say, sir, 30 kgs, 40 kgs, 50 kgs. Okay, if I give you one more person who will also lift with you, 80 kgs. If I give two more people, 120 kgs. This will keep growing. This will keep growing. And if I tell you at the first instance, my dear friend, can you lift 200 kgs? You will say, not possible. Probably I will not do it. Straight away you will say no. But when you know you have 10 people with you, if I say 400 kg, you said, I will do it. That is the magic of having team with you. So bringing those people as quickly as you can, because these are the people who will accelerate your growth. This will generate the positive work environment. See, we all the state heads, we are meeting every day for half an hour, for 20 minutes. We are meeting every day at 8 o'clock. We do nothing. We don't do anything official, but we chat with each other. We only talk what I did today. Not only it's a report of achievement. No, it's no report, nothing. It is only talking. Today I sat and I made this curriculum for this school. Then somebody said, today I went and talked to Keshav Bhaiya, I talked to Nandu Bhaiya, and we discussed these things. We talk, but what happens? It generates a very positive work environment. Very positive work environment, because everybody is doing something or the other about Global Garner, about GG. So that positivity remains. That positivity comes in. Do that every day. Talk to your team. When you have the team, every day for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you come at any platform. You don't have to be physically together. Only thanks to this lockdown, it has taught us how to be remotely connected. So get remotely connected. Now there are so many platforms. Use one of them and get connected for 10-15 minutes. Talk, smile, laugh, share jokes, do whatever you want to, but talk about GG also. What today I have done about GG. Don't tell your people that you have been bad at this, you have not been good. No negative thing, all positive pushes. Yes, very good, we have done. But this will generate the positive work environment in your team. This will also bring that binding in the team. You will have that strong bond of working together. It will bring in the multiplication impact. Then it will not be the addition impact. It's not adding, it will start multiplying, because everybody is doing every day, every week, every month, every year. This will keep on multiplying. If look at one person, one partner of yours selling one UPOS in 1 week. What I'm telling, one partner of yours is selling one UPOS in 1 week. Can you see the multiplication impact? If you have 20 partners, 10 partners with you, means 40 in 1 week. One means 5 weeks, 50, and in a month, and in a year it will keep on multiplying. And the income, when you will calculate, you will be astonished. You will be astonished. Oh my God, these figures, these are mind-boggling figures. Similarly with UPOS, with the UPVs, similarly with the vendor business, all those businesses will start getting multiplied. Put your team in place. Do it very quickly. Build your team as quickly as you can. So this was all about today's lesson. I think it was little heavy for you, but still try to understand and digest it. This is your assignment for today. Note down, please, or you can take a photograph of this. It's your homework. You have to sit like this, like this kid is sitting. Right? Okay. Number one is watch the BOP if you have not watched so far. Detailed one, because your test will be majorly from the questions in that test will be majorly from that BOP. Majorly that test will be from this BOP. Prepare a 5 weeks achievement plan for the month of May. There is a spelling mistake. For the month of May. See, on this sheet for the month of May, just 5 weeks achievement plan. Achievement plan. Prepare that plan. Then we will tell you where to post it. Prepare a 5 weeks achievement plan just for the month of May. Don't go for year. Only today you have to make this 5 weeks plan. Prepare a list of 50 vendors in your pin code whom you can connect in May. Just 50. A list of 50 people. You can refer your yellow pages, Just Dial, whatever, all sources you can have. If you are allowed, you can go out, have a round of physical round of your kingdom. Just see that area, make the list. 50 vendors whom you can contact in the month of May. Means in 30 days, contacting only 50, less than 2 every day. Less than 2 every day. That list of 50 vendors. Now, what does it mean? It means if you are talking to 50 vendor, fully equipped, fully in knowing everything, there is the possibility of enrolling 30 to 40 of them. The possibility of enrolling 30 to 40. If you enroll 30 vendors, you have made it. You have made it. Right? So this is the assignment for today. By today midnight, we will tell you where to post it. You will have to post it. You will tell that, okay, you have gone through the BOP and these 2 assignments. One is your May calendar, the achievement plan of your 5 weeks of the May, and list of 50 vendors. 2 things on one sheet. Take a photograph, post it. We will tell you where to post it. You will get the information where to post it. Right? So thank you so much. Now you are open to questions. Please write your question in the chat box and then we will discuss.
Should we open
Yes.
the mute also
Chat
or
box.
only chat box?
No, only chat box, because I don't know how many of us are there in the
87 currently.
87. If they can be very disciplined that one person speaks at a time, we can open it.
No, whenever someone will raise hand, I'll unmute him. Will not unmute everyone.
Good.
Either what we can do is we can allow participant to unmute themselves
Good,
and
good,
then
good.
we will mute
Okay,
them.
sir. Do it.
Okay. So I
will
have
stop sharing.
yeah, I have activated your unmute button. So whoever wants to ask anything now can ask, but one person at a time. And once your question is done, please unmute mute yourself. Okay. So let's go ahead. Acha, before I go ahead, there are two links sent to you. One is a WhatsApp group that we have created for exclusively for these participants who are there in this group. So just join.
Only ACPs will use that group.
Yeah. So only
Only
for the
ACPs.
participants who are in this group will join that group. And secondly, there is another link sent to you for attendance, and your unique code for that attendance is also given to you. So just go on that link, put in your attendance so that we can have a record of you, because after 4 days, when we'll do the final assessment, it will help us. Because now we'll not allow anyone new to join, because today's session who has missed will not be able to understand what we have talked today. So now the entire 4 days, no new joinees will come into the system. So this will help us to maintain that, right? So now over to you. Now you can start the questions. Thank you.
Vinay is asking, Vinay GVK.
Yeah, Vinay, you can unmute and you can ask.
Hi, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, actually, you given the second link. In that, actually, MCP code and ACP code is available, but we didn't get any code. So, how can we attend this?
No,
What is the
without being an ACP, you cannot attend this. You have to be an ACP, then only you can attend this. If you don't have that code and you have attended today, please get it done through your MCP, CPA. Your ACP code should be done. Else you will not be allowed tomorrow. Whoever will not fill this attendance sheet today will not be allowed tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Vinay, please ask your CP to get your code generated.
Okay, sir. Okay, I will next plan for that.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Because those people who will join our WhatsApp group only will get the tomorrow's link. We'll change the tomorrow's link will change the meeting ID. So tomorrow onwards, this batch only will continue with us. So no new guy will not join for tomorrow itself.
Sir, excuse me, but I joined in the WhatsApp group also, but I didn't have any this course. May I can
Sorry,
I join? Actually, I joined in this WhatsApp group. What you shared in the meeting.
no issue. Just get your ACP code done today. No issue with that.
Okay, sir. Okay.
It will take hardly 30 minutes, but get your ACP code generated. So we will know that yes, you are there, because today we'll tally the entire attendance, and then we will remove people who are there in the group who are not the attendees of this training.
Okay, sir. Thank
This
you.
is exclusively for ACPs. Please understand that.
If the CP of Vinay is there in the group, he should take care of it.
Yeah, please. Because tomorrow,
I will follow up, sir. I will follow up. Thank you.
yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you.
So, any queries, anything that you would like to ask from the session itself? Hello, sir. Can I, Mr. Praveen Shirke, you can attend both the sessions? Yes, as a ACP, you can attend both the sessions. That is not a problem. English and the both. I think you are asking for about that, no? For better understanding, you can of course join in both the sessions. That is no issue. I think you got your answer, right, Mr. Praveen? Thank you. Yeah.
I think there is no question. या तो इनको समझ नहीं लगा या सारा समझ लग गया. Let's go back to Ramesh Bhaiya for the closing.
No, Raman sir, I think they didn't expect. Even we also don't expect that session will be like this. It is really a very wonderful session for everyone. So it will take some time to digest.
It will take. Was that so heavy?
No, not like that. Because nobody expected what will be there. It is a first one, and also really it is a fantastic, and our way is very easy now. We can definitely achieve so many things. So now they have started planning how to do it. And also it is very simple points you are given with an excellent examples.
Sir,
I
entire
think
GG concept is very simple. We confuse it.
And
Hi, sir. Good morning for everyone.
yeah, yeah.
Sir,
Afzal.
the thing, yeah, sir, Afzal, sir. The thing is, what the Raman sir is told, it's absolutely, I think everybody is understand. Only
Right.
the thing is, they need some time to work out on that, how they need to go.
Of course, of course, of course.
And only for the reason, for that reason, nobody is asking any questions.
No, of course, we understand it is on a lighter side.
Yeah, I think it's
Because-
better we know, yeah, we should not take negativity on that.
No, we are not taking that.
No, I'm just telling to you, sir. That's it. Don't
We
take.
know we are with a brilliant group of GG leaders.
Yeah,
We know
that
that.
only the thing is people have to work on that.
Yes.
What are the things you
Yes.
told? So how they will take on that? So going
Yes.
forward.
Correct,
So it
Afzal.
is absolutely is a very good session. So I think the people will make sure it will be 100% will go on the positive way.
We have 4 minutes left, so
Vikas ji,
Yeah.
I wanted to ask something to Ramesh sir.
Hello.
yeah,
Ramesh sir, because
Yes,
I have
please.
told all my MCPs don't ask question. Because MCPs also observers here. If you give the permission, they will ask.
no.
No. Okay, thank you very much.
We are not ready to stand in front of AK-47s.
Otherwise, they
Okay,
will tell me.
there was one voice. I think there was one voice. I wanted to ask something. I guess, ma'am, please go ahead. Okay. Whoever is sending me numbers, please use that link, WhatsApp link, to enroll in that WhatsApp group, and the link given for the attendance. We will not be able to do it manually for 87 people. Please understand that. So already most of you have joined. Only few are left. So please just join by clicking on that link or copying that in your URL. Okay, Shweta is saying, can someone help Shweta Rajneesh to join that group? Shweta Rajneesh is from which team?
Madam, ನೀವು ಉಡುಪಿ ಅವರಾ?
क्या नाम है? Deva, please help her with the link. Yeah, ODP.
Okay, we will send and we will help them.
I have already shared the list of participants in this group. Just
Sir, namaskara.
Yeah, please.
सर ಇದಕ್ಕೆ टाइमिंग ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದೆ एको आप ये शुरू करना है ना सर सुबह से इसको थोड़ा टाइम करना है यहाँ तक बोल के तो ನೋಡಿ क्या बोल
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ
ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಎಷ್ಟು 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಅಂತ 7:30 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂತ ಇರಬೇಕು
ಮುಗೀತು ಇವಾಗ ಇನ್ನ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
ಅದು ಮುಂಚೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ
ಓಕೆ ಸರಿ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್
ನಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಒಂದು ಎರಡನೇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೆಲವು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ಪುನರ್ವರ್ತನೆ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬ ಎಜುಕೇಟರ್ ಅದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳೋರ್ಗು ಅದು
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತಮ್ಮ ಊರು
ನಂದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಪಿ ಯಾರು ಸರ್
ಸಚಿನ್
ಓಕೆ ಸಚಿನ್ ಅವರಾ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಸಚಿನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಏನಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ ಸಚಿನ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಸರ್
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್
ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಸಚಿನ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಓಕೆ
रमन भैया अब आंसर करिए
चलो पंजाबी च बोलदा मैं okay Ramesh bhaiya so over to you for
hello
sir this is Yogesh from Amravati
hello
sir this is Yogesh from Amravati are you able to hear me
ये अमरावती यहाँ क्या कर रही है
sir कुछ मिला था सर ज्वाइन तो करना ही था
अच्छा
okay
sir I'm not able to find the link actually chat में दिख रहा नहीं है can you please listen
hello
sir चैट हेड में लिंक मिल रहा नहीं है सर मुझे।
किसका लिंक नहीं मिल रहा आपको?
सर दोनों ये अपना ग्रुप का लिंक जो सर ने भेजा है विकास सर ने,
हाँ
वो
हाँ,
सर अटेंडेंस वाला मिल रहा नहीं है। एक्चुअली मुझे सब नंबर से मिल रहे थे इसमें।
अटेंडेंस वाला लिंक नहीं मिला। विकास, how can we send it to them?
Okay, what I'll do is, okay, you send me a WhatsApp message stating Gurukul on my number 9909093909, and I will add you in that group, and today we will give you that unique code in that group only, your attendance unique code, and we'll share the attendance sheet also in there. That, okay?
Repeat your phone number, Vikas, again.
Okay, I'm repeating, and I have also texted it in the this thing chat box. I've written it there also.
Okay.
So it's 9909093909.
Okay, sir.
चलिए रमेश भैया, please.
Yeah.
Raman Bhaiya, thank you so much for a very, very engrossing session. Participants, please note that this session, the remaining 3 days will be between 7:30 and 9. 9 is a little approximate. It may extend by about 10-15 minutes every day, but every effort is going to be made to close it by 9 o'clock in the
Sir,
morning.
one minute, sir. Hello.
Yes, Rami Reddy.
Sir, actually today I am first. Tomorrow I can join this chat or not?
If you have not attended in full, then.
Sir.
If you have not attended the full session
Where are you
today,
from, Rami Reddy?
Today attended, sir. Tomorrow I can attend.
Yes.
Tomorrow is a different class.
Okay.
We have 4 different classes.
Acha, we should tell them, okay, this class is not ending today. It is 4-day session.
Okay.
Tomorrow it will be another subject. Day after tomorrow another. Day after that another session. So it is a combination of 4 days. It is not single day that we are doing. Okay, so everyone has to repeat this.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
सर अच्छी बात है सर, लेकिन वो टाइम टेबल आपको अनाउंस करे तो अच्छे तक। अभी सर ने बताया ना सर।
ಅವರೇ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೇ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಮಯ ಬಹಳ ಮಹತ್ವಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ, ನಮಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾತು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಟೈಮು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
ಸರಿ ಸರ್, ಸರಿ.
Right. Thank you very much for a very engrossing beginning, Raman Bhaiya. We all thoroughly enjoyed it, and I am sure all of us learned something about Global Gardener today. And by the end of the 4th day, I'm sure we'll learn everything about Global Gardener. It is very important for all of us to attend all 4 days, because half knowledge is very, very dangerous, and half knowledge is not going to serve you or the organization or anybody. So please be there every day at 7:30, and all sessions will begin on time. Today we were a little lenient. Tomorrow at 5 minutes or 10 minutes maximum, we'll give grace. At 7:40 the meeting will get closed, and then you will not be able to enter, which means tomorrow you will become absent. So please be very careful. Please log in as early as you can. Have a wonderful day, all of you, because we can close this meeting.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.